ignoring the stereo for a minute, we're just going to go through the heater controls and what's around it. So we've got our front screen demister, our hazard lights and our rear screen demister. Our fan speed is on the outside, aircon button is in the middle, the on off completely is on the bottom half of that. Then we've got our temperature control up and down. We have an auto button so it will get to the temperature that we've set as quickly as possible. We've got rear air conditioning because we've got rear air conditioning in the back of this car. We've got directions of airflow, which are pretty simple. We've got recycled air as opposed to straight air coming in if you're behind a dirty truck or something. And then sync is so that you can have both sides exactly the same. If you wanted heat to one side and cool the other, you just turn the sync button off. Below that is your heated seats. So if you press the red arrow side, you get 3 settings for your heated seats, and you literally just press that button 2-3 times to switch those off, and then your cooled seats are on the other side exactly the same. Below that we've got a cigarette lighter, USB port, auxiliary port and a power outlet. I'll use the USB port in a second to show you how to use your phone. Our gearbox, no buttons on it to pull through, you literally just put your foot on the brake and pull that one back to where you need it to be. If you want to go into manual, you push that one across. You can then change gear plus or minus by moving that button. So on the screen at the bottom it says 1. By nudging that little button it now says 2. I'm now in 2nd gear, now in 3rd gear, now in 4th gear. So it's very simple to come back out of that. We literally just push across and it's changed to D again to say we're in drive. Putting it in reverse will bring up the camera screen here, so you have directly what's behind us and your tow bar, so it's easy to log up to, and then you've got a 360-degree screen as well. So if I turn in the wheel, you can see it's going to tell you exactly where the car's going to go. Now also on this screen we have the benefit of, if we press the little L, that tells us exactly what's down the left hand side of the car. So there's the left hand front wheel, there's the side of the car. We can do the same with the right hand side. So there's the wheel, there's the side of the car. So if we think we're close to something, we can see what's going on. We then have a reversing camera there, or the split screen on there. Now earlier on we said about the front facing camera. If we press that one and take the car out of reverse into drive, press that camera screen, we get the same, but we've got exactly what's going on at the front. So if there's something we're not quite sure what's ahead of us, then we're in drive, we just press that front camera button and that's the screen we're going to get. I've just switched it off again.